Nobody talks about the difference between how moms text versus dads. Because I have a group chat with my parents, and a couple months ago when school ended, I sent them a picture of my grades, and they were pretty good. So immediately, I got a text back from my mom that was about 9,000 words. It looked like she was trying to fill up the word requirement on an essay. Cause she was like, "Great job, Tyler. I'm so proud of the young man you're becoming, and I can't wait to see what you do in the future." So I'm thinking, dang mom, I appreciate it, but I didn't just win the Nobel Prize. All I did was pass algebra, and that was mostly because of Quizlet. But when it comes to my dad, he didn't respond to this text for a couple hours until finally I see a text from him pop up. And you know what it said? Nothing. He just sent a thumbs up emoji. I could tell my dad I cured cancer and he would respond by sending a thumbs up emoji. He'll use that thing no matter what the scenario is.